Hello and welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Deidran. Fans of the king of the dancehall will have to wait just a little bit longer for his much anticipated album, Simmer. The DJ announced yesterday on his Instagram page that the album that is scheduled to stop the 14-year gap has been pushed back due to personal unexpected challenges. In a heartfelt post, Beenie Man told his fans that he gives his best at all times and wanted to ensure that he was in the best space mentally and emotionally before dropping the album. Beenie Man's son and aspiring artist Moses Jr. was a few weeks ago hospitalized with sickle cell complications. In sharing the sad news, Beenie Man also opened up about his own struggle with the disease, saying that as a black man who suffers from the disease as well, he wants to encourage fans to gain some knowledge on it. Moses Jr. is currently recovering at home. All the best to the fam. Now, Coffee has landed yet another international endorsement deal. The Grammy Kid is now the newest ambassador for Jordan Unite from renowned sportswear brand Jordan. In an interview with British Vogue, Coffee toasted the brand, saying the Unite project inspired her positively and that is the way the youth ought to be going. Jordan Unite is a global campaign that celebrates a generation coming together to create a positive impact that goes beyond sports. For Coffee, the deal will strengthen her advocacy work as she looks to make a positive change through education. The deal with Jordan Unite follows Coffee being named the first Caribbean ambassador for MasterCard. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching.
E-Prime brought